Well, to cap off our trip to Klamath River, it's Friday, we're leaving tomorrow, and we saw the kayakers that have traveled 300 miles from the source of the Klamath River all the way to the sea. And it's a pretty spectacular sight to see all these kayakers. They are at the end of their 30-day journey, and it was really exciting to see these guys go by our campground. Oh yeah? I couldn't hear it. It's pretty cool to be in an area like this with a lot of nature around us and to see this happen right here. So pretty cool. Don't think we'll get to see something like this again, but it was a fantastic end to our trip here.